All right, going live. Market about to open. I like this short though. It probably do a double take to the bottom. I would like to see it move over a little bit, but we are live. Excellent connection. Hope it stays that way. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I gotta fix something. Let me fix my sound, because I want y'all to be able to, the sound to be working. Okay, the sound should be working now. Hopefully the sound is working now. Hopefully the sound is working now. Market should be opening in a second. 20 seconds. I took a trade earlier up here off of VWAP. Could have held on to it all the way down, but I didn't. Is the market going to open up lower and make a move higher? Just wait and see. It came down here. Test this low 43. I gotta put my 4-hour chart at. Looking for my 4-hour chart. Don't have it. Next stop is 26, which is, if I can get it, the head and shoulders on a 60-minute chart. Shoulders, head, where is that? Shoulders, head, the shoulders. 26 is the target on that, on this head and shoulders. The high is 92. And the break is about 59 right here. So let's go to the calculator real quick. Don't know when it's going to happen. Try to catch the move. So if we got 68, what's that high? Oh, this is the high was like 6,900. 60. Clear. 6,900 minus. Oh, I'm sorry. It's here. The high is here. That's the high is here. The high is 92. 92. 92. Just round off 92. 68.92 minus, we're going to use this low here of 59 minus 68.59 equals 33. So 68.59, we're going to take the bottom 59, right, minus 33 equals 68.26 around this area, the S2. So that is the measured move from the head and shoulders if it plays out. And that's what I would like to see, if this plays out. Now we may pull back some and come up and roll over, but I'm looking at the shoulder, head, and shoulder. All Avalon. So we got this shoulder, head, and this shoulder here. So let's see. I like the 45 break because that'll give us the support 2, break of the S2 will give us, you know, the move down here. Just is it going to shake us out before we can get there? That is the question. Will it shake us out before we get there? So this is the hourly chart. Let's go down to the 2-minute chart. Got to bounce off of 40. I don't want to take it in the first 15 minutes, but that's what'll happen. The first 15 minutes, I want to take it, but then it'll run in the first 15 minutes. First 15 minutes got a lot of risk with the wicks and the pops. Okay, they're gonna break. Let's see if we can get there we go. I don't want it to go without me, man. It's gonna go in the first 15 minutes. I don't know if we're gonna get a pullback and then a rollover. May not get it. May not get it. But the 26 may play out early in the day. It's gonna play out in the first 15 minutes. I don't know where my other 4-hour chart is. I had it up here. Let me bring this here. Coming down to test this 30. And I'm just not in it. We back in this level here. Back into this level here. On the chart, we got the 27 with support on here. The close of this daily bar. Also the gap, the day before the gap up. So we're back into this gap. So I ran on the first 15-minute bar without me. Testing top this 27. Down 47 points today in the early part, the front end of the day. So right now I don't want to take any longs. I want to wait for a pullback and maybe another rollover. A continuation trade where we pull back, rolled over, pull back, roll over, pull back. Try to get a rollover, pull back. Just see if we can get a pullback and a rollover somewhere. It's not happening. No pullbacks so far. Got about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, 30 seconds to the next 15-minute bar. When we get a bounce off of here, 26. Or will we just keep rolling? Okay. So right now we have completed the measured move from the shoulders, the head, and the shoulders down to 26. That was the measured move. 33 points from the break of the 40 to 59, and right there, and we still going, no pullback in the early day. Okay, below the 50 moving average, when we get some type of bounce here. Let's go to a lower time frame. So that move has completed. Next stop is 67, 78. Let's see where we going. We had this area here that I marked off as support and resistance. Let me see if I can see it on a 60. How far I go back. So that was this area here where we had support and resistance in this area. So we may be trying to get back down into this area. It's one long bar. Now there's a bigger head, shoulder. Could get a bigger move down on a larger time frame. Maybe go from here, and then the break would be the low of 52, and the high would be 69. So just round it off about 50 points. Back to maybe 6,800. That's what we're looking at. Back to 68. That'll be back down on a daily chart into this level here. No bounces yet, really. Stabilization or anything. Just constant move to the downside. Now we're back, coming back into this area. 68.15. Crack 20. Crack 20. Okay, the 15-minute bar just opened up. Will we get some type of pullback? What's this? Over 20, we get to 26. Can we get a pop over 20? I'm not taking that though. Trying to get in round numbers and see if they pop, if they get a bounce off the round number. It's possible, but I'm not going to take it. Having a difficult time bounce. It may, one option is it could consolidate here and move up. Get some support. The low is what? 16. Could get some support for the bounce. Could pull back to 27. Back to this level. We got 25, 27, 25 to 28. So that's in this level. That's back to the support resistance level. This blue line here. I wouldn't be surprised if we trace back up to 45 once we break this 26, 27. Rejected at 25.75. Let's see how much consolidation it wants to give in here. 20 to 25. Then we'll have another 4-hour bar. Where's my 4-hour chart at? It keep dropping behind the. Let me get my 4-hour chart. Yeah, there it is. Oh, always on top. All right, so I'll keep it here. Let's see. Make it a little bigger because If the next 4-hour bar opens up, I want to see where it can go. This may have some pullback. The next 4-hour bar rolls over again, especially if we stay below 30. We might come up to 40 and then come down to break 30 again. This just popped to what, 28? It did a pop. It did a pop to 28. Okay. Back testing this resistance. And support. Well, it was support. Let's see if it turns into resistance. Oh, if we retrace back. Okay. Let's get some fib retracements here and see if we can try. Okay. 30. Is a 50 is 44. 50 is 44. So if we get a mine just from the previous. And these fib retracements is not exact. Cause let me see. The low is 1675. Oh, the low is exact. There we go. So 30. Are we gonna get, well, 29.75? We got some ejection over 29.75. On daily chart, we have the moving average here sitting at 13. Okay, we breaking through the 30. $35 is 58 on the smaller 50% retracement on the smaller this last pullback here or drop. $35, $38 to $40. We know $35, $38 to $40, so we can kind of start removing some of this stuff. Be having the charts all cluttered. I'm gonna take a shot here. I'm gonna take a shot here. I may be a little early. Well, didn't get me in. I want to take a shot at that 29.75. On the pullback, that may be it. We still run into this support. We break and hold. See if it hold the breaks. See if it holds. If this 30 doesn't hold, we may have room for another down, but it may just go over and under 30 for a minute. Just not trusting this 30 to get to 40 as quick. I'm gonna just wait. Two minutes. You have another 15-minute bar. It's gonna open up. The wind is blowing. Now I'm between 30 and 35. It's hanging around 30, 35. Next 15-minute bar opens up in about 30 seconds. Point of control is 30, 30, 50. I don't know if we can hold the 30. Let's see. I'm not saying we will or we won't. Okay. 15-minute bar opened up. Getting a push higher. 40, 41. That 35. Double top at the 35, 35.75, 36 and a quarter. Oh, and a 4-hour bar opened up. 10 o'clock, 4-hour bar just opened up. 29.75. The low is 26 and a quarter. Which way is it going? Open at 29.75. So this way you want to get short, but it's early and they'll be pulling back on you. All right, here we go. Let me see. Low is 23. It may just keep bouncing here and not give any move to the downside. Would have been a couple of points trade, which would have been good, but let's see these pops down here. Let's see if it stays over below 30. May pop back to 24, 26. Okay, let's see if this is where it's gonna, what's happening here. If it's just gonna be, I just don't want to get chopped out down here. Made a high low. Made a high low. That's what I didn't want to happen. Try to take this short and it just bounced back up into the 30s, 40s. The 15-minute chart is not really giving any direction. I like the rollover, but not like this with the pops. Like the clean rollovers. Don't know when it's always going to be clean or not, but so we're over the 27, which is above this closer bar, above this bar that closed for the gap between 30 and 41. This high is 43, so let's see. Back at 35.
Order submitted. Order
I'm gonna
filled.
see if I can get a couple of points
Order
out of here.
submitted.
Nope.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
Alright, so
Order canceled.
let's see if we can get up to 40, into the 40. $39. No, 40, 41. Up into this top here. Might not get, let's see. Might push. Because we in a 4-hour bar, can give it some push. And 40, 42.
Order submitted.
I really wanted 41.
Order filled.
Okay, into 41. If we get into 42, I just want to get a couple of points if I can. If we can get a pull back a little bit. Come on. Just a little bit. If not,
order submitted. Order canceled.
I'll take another one at 42 because
Order canceled.
I think we got some support up here. I mean resistance up here, 42, 43. There we go. This may do it.
Order submitted.
No? We want to hold over 40?
Order filled.
Okay. This may be able to push down to 34 too. Just want to take advantage of this resistance area up here. I'm looking at this right here, this 41, 42 area. That's the top of this daily bar, 41.25. So we got a little bit over it at 42. $37, $39. We can get to 47. The 15-minute bar opened up where the market opened up at 47. Okay, see what this bar does. Starts to push. We got some orders coming above 46.25. Where we at? We at the 45. 45, okay, 45. We're getting a push up into the 45 level.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, see.
Order submitted.
See if we get a pull back real quick, you know. 45, see if we can get to 43.
Order filled.
Okay. Just trying to hit these seller pops and trying to just sell off at the resistance levels. We take a couple of points, not trying to stay in too long. Just do some scalping. Even though it could go, you know, give us a bigger move. I'm just trying to get some scalp moves out while it's moving up. So we got 47, 50. The question is, do I want to low 45? I want to stay in one of these. Shots still moving. Okay, we got VWAP coming back to test 50. Back at this right here, we got the low. Break is 48. The 45 could be a short. Okay, we back up here to the open 47.25. 15-minute bar look like it's trying to hold up. So you want to test back the VWAP. Okay, 47 is cracking. 47 is cracking. VWAP is at 50 and a quarter. 50, no, 3/4, 50, 75. We're just running back past all the support levels. But that should be, not should, but yeah, that's not becoming resistance levels. I'm not saying it should be, but I want to take this here if it hit VWAP. Come on. Come on. I want to take it if it hit VWAP. It's not hitting my VWAP. Might have missed it. Might have missed it. Wanted to get around that 50-50 VWAP. Then I got in, let me see, too late.
Order canceled.
I think this break of 45 could be a move. I would rather see it, well, yeah, I would rather see it on another bar. This engulfing bar off the VWAP is a nice setup. See if price can make a move up or if this is the high. You know, 43 to 40. It's going to be whipping some people out, some traders out, some weak positions. I don't want to get whipped out. Weak position trying to get short here. Let's see if this is just a pullback for the uptrend, or if it just keep going, I'm gonna miss it because it could be a pullback to continue the uptrend, or it could roll over. But as it being an uptrend, I have to not get caught in the trap. Not get caught in the trap trying to short. Let's see if it could make another move up and fell. Trying to hold over 40.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to see if this is the move. Okay.
Order submitted.
There we go. See if this is the move. I see some orders down here that could be holding. Okay. See some orders down here on 38. That could hold it. So that's why I moved it up. Spots where it can go. I could have just waited till this came back into oversold and see how far. 10 points, maybe. The ride back down 30. I just been getting stopped out on a lot of these moves. I've been trying to get the 10 points. So now I've been getting stopped out short and getting hit on these pops. So trying to stay away from the pops. Not getting hit on the pops. Got flash orders coming in at 38. Got flash orders coming in at 38. Okay. So let's see if this is the case. I'm making another higher high on the uptrend, minor uptrend. Trying to hold, let me see how. It's not holding a 40. '40's not holding. If the next bar opens up, this bar might do it itself. I'm saying the next bar opens up and engulfs these two bars. That could be a weak signal. Show weakness. $34.50. And this is 33. Oh, it's going down now. Another 15-minute bar opens up in about 3 minutes. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. At this point, not looking for real big follow throughs, just trying to scalp some points out. And we back into this area here between 40 and 27, between 41 and 27. Far bar opened up at 29.75, below 30. So we might hang out around over and under 30. That's this area here where it was over and under that 30, the open of the flower bar. And 30 point of control is 30.50. 30.50 is the point of control here. 6,000 contracts traded. Okay, coming back down to this high low of this trend line. Break out of this trend line, testing the high low of this trend line. So let's see if it respects any of these trend lines. Okay, let's move this because it didn't respect that. Broke down. Open under the 4-hour open. Now the 15-minute bar opened up. The high on that is 32. Is that going to go up or down? We got 35. Now between like 32 and 35. So which way? Below 30 and we go lower, or we go above the pivot, the point of control of 30 and try to test back 35. It's a down day. I only want to take shorts, but I want to take shorts in the right areas. The height of 50-minute bar. Oh, it's 32, but it's dropping down. Okay. I would like to see another pullback in a fail of making new highs. If we made another pullback and made a fail of new highs, it could be around 40. No, not 40. Yeah, around the 40 area. Well, we did it here, but around the 40 area. Look like we're going lower. I would have liked this trade down to 20 because it definitely could reach 20, but we can also get a bounce down here. I want to bounce. I would rather have a bounce and then roll over. Look at a 20 break. Is it looking to make daily lows? Is it looking to break daily lows? This is what? 18. Daily lows is 1675. Is it looking to make daily lows? To break daily lows? Bouncing off the 20 level. Down here last time it bounced about 30 points. Is it going to bounce or is it going to crack down here? All right, made a new low. Made a new low of 15. We got his shoulders in the head. I'm gonna call this a little shoulder, but we got a nice shoulder head. Can we get another shoulder? Come back up in this every 25, 30 or make a low shoulder. If this was a low shoulder here, we can measure and say the high 50 and the break would be around 25 points, so it would be 6,800. And that's where we did the bigger on a 60-minute chart, and 6,800 was the target for a bigger head and shoulders, which if this little head shoulders work out 25 points, it look like it may it may play out. How fast, how soon? 1675 is the low of this 4-hour bar. 1675, so $17, okay, over and under previous bar low, 1675. Who gonna get squeezed? Went to 13.25. Who gonna get squeezed? Who's going to get squeezed? Oh, there we go. We're coming back down. We're coming back down. Over and under 1675. This line is from somewhere far back, the 15 level. So this 15 level is a support and resistance level from a while back that we're looking at. I might miss the trade trying to change the charts, because that's what happens when I'm looking and I try to see where that line was coming from. Okay, that's this level here, 15. We have some support resistance in this area. So we look, we got green, red, green barcoded up in this area here on this 15. So we have some support resistance here. May crack and break. And get down to 10. See, this was a good open at 16 and breakdown, but just don't want to be in this area here. Don't want to trade in this area. Don't want to trade. Don't want to trade in this area. It looks like it's gonna. It can. Not saying it's gonna. It look like it could. It can go either way. It can break and they can give up, or they can hold it up and give it a pop. So not too confident in the direction down here. And we also in under oversold, which could be strong if it keep going down, and just staying oversold. That would show strength to the downside. Got another 15-minute bar open. If this 15-minute bar opens up and continues to go down, it's going to want me to take the short. Let's see what happens on the 15-minute chart. But I don't, shorting it to these round numbers is 6805 could be a target right here. 05 has been support resistance, 15 to 05. It's about to open. And there it is. Now, do it peak below and then get a pop-up, or do it keep going? So that's just, there we go, it broke. Okay, it broke. Do we get a pop at 10? Get some type of pop at 10? Some type of bounce? No bounce. Didn't bounce at 10, which is interesting. And we're down 88 points. $6,800 is the target for the head and shoulders play out. 6,800. And we're almost there. The 29 to 30 break was a good one. Didn't get that. I'm not going to take 60. I'm not going to 6,800 bounce. We got 300 down here, 249. 6,800 bounce. Got some orders at 6,800. Down 73, 74 points. Bounced off of 01. Bounce how many points? 50. 4 points at a 4-point bounce. 4-point bounce. S3 is down here 77. Do we reach S3? That's the question. It's the 15-minute bar. Go down to a 2-minute. All right, there goes testing 68. Testing 68. Do we get a bounce off of 68? Do we get a bounce off of 68? Come on. 68 is a psychological number. Do we get a bounce off of 68? Anybody buying here? Any orders here? There we go. Okay. A couple. 68. Get 2. 2-point bounce. Back into the 3 over here. You see orders back into this 3. Do we get over 3? Or that's it? Do we get over this 3? Or that's the strongest bounce you get? Okay, over 3. 5. Got orders coming in here at 429 at 05. Between 6800 and 05. What we doing? Is it going? Is it breaking? Trying to break 6800? That's a rough short to try to take when it could bounce. Get a crazy bounce on you. No buyers? Come on, where the buyers at? Where the buyers at? For a pullback. Then a rollover and a break. I'm not taking this first break of this 68. I'm not doing it. And it may dump, it may hold and open under 68, then turn over. I don't know, but I'm not taking that break because my stops is tight. The last thing I need is for that to break and pop. Go down like 69, 70, 99.50, break 68, go 99.50 and pop back up. Okay. Holding? No. Come on, let's get a pop up. Okay. The pops is not too heavy either. The bind is not too heavy. Get back over 6,800. Yeah, no. $95. Get a pop. Get a pullback. No. Little breaks. New. They get it. lower, a lower low, and then a little pop, lower low, pop, lower low. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. This is what I wanted to see. I don't want to see this 98 and fail. I want to see this 6800 and then fail. We got another 15-minute bar in 3 minutes. About 4 minutes. 3 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, 68. We got 68. We got 68. That round 6800. If we stay below the 6800, it's possible to get to this 78. When? Don't know, but all right, we're in 68 to 97. So we pulled back to 68, then came to 96 and a quarter. So are we looking to make higher lows here? Are we looking to make higher lows here? Are we looking to make a lot higher lows here now? Like 15-minute bar opens up. Higher lows. I moved that line out the way because it was just getting in the way. Got higher lows at 68. Okay, 6801. Oh, 07. It's not exactly where the high and low exactly is. Let me see, high 50-50. I'm at 50-75. Tick off. See if I can get 50-50. All right, and the low is 94 and a quarter. I'm at 94. Tick off. There we go. So 750. 38 is 60. I can't see that, but let's put on the line. 14, 68, 14. $6,800 was the target for the 60-minute head and shoulders, and it completed the head and shoulders target. 15-minute bar just opened up. 675 was the high on that. Making higher lows. Is the trend reversal happening? If a trend reversal is happening, I want to see a pull back and then a continuation. If this is the first move, I don't want to be in the first move. So here's 93. We got down to what? 94 and a quarter. So we came to test this low and didn't break it. Off this low is where we bounced back up to 6,900. And you can see this low on the 4-hour bar is where we bounced and went back up to 6,900. Now we double topped. Look like we double topped and came down. Test back this low at 93. Question is, do we double bottom here and get back up past 6,900? But not today, but I'm saying over time, who knows? Okay, we hit 9 and a quarter. Now we got a wick here at the bottom and we got a wick here. So now we're wicking. It's trying to hold 68, or is it getting weak positions out for the move lower? That's the question. Timing. And if the timing is right, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. And if it pop break up, I'm out at 02.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. I'm playing with this 68. Am I playing with fire? Am I playing with fire at that 68? Getting too early and I'm done. Getting too late and I'm done. See? Trying to hold on, but trying to hold on. Trying to hold on. See if holding on is the right thing to do. Can we get to 78? I know I'm being greedy, and sometimes it come to bite me back.
Order submitted.
Let's see if that's what happens for me today. I'm gonna try to get another position at the bottom. on a break. And see if we test the 78. It's made pop down here. What's the high on here? Not 88.50. Do we double bottom out here? Do we double bottom out here? Or do we roll? Okay, here we go.
Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we keep going. Let's see if we keep going. Trying to get a trade here. If we break, look, it's trying to break. Let's see. I'm not adding any more, but oh, no.
Order submitted. Order filled.
What happened? Hold. Let's close this. Let's close this.
Order filled.
I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. But whatever just happened just took all my profit away that I had. Them bounces, man. Those bounces. Lower 93. Double bottom? I don't think so. I think that was a fake out. Let's see. We just don't want to go there yet. Okay. The low here was 94 and a quarter. Low 93.50, so it came in. Got these orders, maybe squeezed them out. All right, testing back 6,800. We back at the same. That's 6,800. Back testing 6,800. Over another 68. Is that 68 gonna hold? I don't think so, but I don't want to get trapped. I think this was just a pop, and I think it's gonna keep going lower. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if we got room to hit this 78. That's a move that probably see traders looking at. $6,800. Yeah, I would, if this came out, this stochastic, I would like to see this come up and roll over, because we have had a lot of, for the most part, the first half it's just been dumping. Maybe we consolidate here and then take the 93. Got another 15-minute bar opening up in 2 minutes. $96. We under 6,800. That's the key. We're under 6,800. Let's see. I mean, not 6,800. 6,800, 6,800. Who they gonna squeeze? Is the shorts over? Who they gonna squeeze? They're gonna give that 6,800 another run. Lower high, lower high. Are they gonna get that another run? Lower high. Are they gonna give 6,800 another run? 1, 2, 3. Got lower high. What time is it? It's 11:14. 1 minute, another 15-minute bar. About to open. It's about time for me to go. I had that last trade. That was nice. Seemed like it kind of messed up for me. My exit. Okay, we are back over. We back over. We closed at 1,600 on the 15-minute bar. This opened up at 6,800. No, this opened at 97.50. There we go. Okay, we back over 68. Can we get back into the 10s to 14s? I like to see a bounce off to 38.2. This may go. If the next 2-minute bar goes, then it may confirm the bigger move down, but we can consolidate down here and do a round bottom and head back up down by this 68. I don't want to get run over. It's coming down. It's coming down. If this breaks the 95, as soon as I start showing it, it's going to happen to move. There we go. It looks like this. $95 to $85, but it's just the follow through down here is suspicious. It's real suspect. Follow through down here is real suspect. Real suspect. Get a little break, then a bounce. We'll come down, get a little break and a bounce. Real suspect down here, so. Yeah. And the thing is, 68 is not holding, but it's bouncing. It's not holding over 68, but it's not breaking down either. $92 and a quarter. What I got? 92. And a quarter. 95 to 85, is that the move?
Order submitted.
Let's see if I can get it.
Order
I
filled.
think it may, hopefully this go down and not bounce. I don't want to bounce. If this bounce, I'm out. If this bounces, I'm out.
Order filled.
That's what I didn't want. Didn't want that bounce. That 95 to 85 is what I'm looking for. But I didn't want that bounce.
Order submitted.
Is it going this time?
Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see if this is it. See if it's going this time. Here we go. Come on. Let's see if it's going this time. If it's not, I'm out.
Order submit. Order filled.
Don't want to see these pops. These pops make me nervous. Down here. Even though I think it's going, these pops down here got me a little nervous. And I want it to go, it's just not going. It's gonna go, pop, pull back, make a lower low, pull back. Just not something I want to be in. See this? Just not something I want to be in with the pullbacks. With these little pops. Break a low. Pop up to 03. Break a low. Back pop up. this 15 minutes, we went as high as 04 and as low as 90. 4-point range. Back at 68. Barcode. Green, red, green. Still not convinced because we haven't made any higher highs. We made a higher low, higher low, higher low, and lower high. Well, we made lower lows. Haven't made any higher highs. 03, 04, 09. $15-minute bar about to open up in 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not looking good, but not looking. It's looking. There's still no highs. Making some lows, but no highs. Not making any highs. But on 15-minute, I think we may matter of fact, let me keep this on a 2-minute, and I'll put the 4-hour on a 15-minute. On a 15-minute, look at the wicks. Look how the wicks. It's closing lower, but it's getting tighter. Break low, break low, break low. Bounce, close higher. Bounce, close higher than the low, but it's closing higher than the lows. It may get a bounce down here off this 95 level. I'm not taking the long until it break higher highs and pull back and then continue. If it doesn't do that, then I'm not taking it. Look like we can get a round bottom and bounce to 15 here. We get this and bounce maybe to 15. This level here, 13, 15. Because it's like a crazy, ugly shoulders, head, shoulders. Low is 90, 75. We break this right here of 3, 50, 90, 75, and no 350. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on? Do we got to move up into the 775? That's 10 points right there. I'm going to take this and see. We may get a bounce. We may get a bounce. We may get a bounce. Let's see if this is it. We may get a bounce. I don't know if that's the turn to roll over. Let's see. Let's see. That 95 has the crack. That 95 has the crack. We're going to take the bottom. We're going to see if we get the break of the bottom. Come on. We got 400 at 92. I like the 15 minute. I like the 15 minute for it to keep going. Take that 400 out. Take that 400 out. Is that real or is that a flash in the pan? Now look like it's real order there. That order holding. That 92 is holding. Now that 92 trying to hold. Somebody is holding that 92. That 92 is trying. Is it there? They moved out the way. Let's see. Trying to hold this trade. No, it's 94 and it's 95. It's 94 and it's 95. It's trying to hold. Come on. Come on. It's 94, 95 trying to hold. Let's crack this 95. If we can crack 95, see, we've been bouncing down here. If this 2-minute bar cracks down, then that's beautiful. If it holds up, that 96 is a problem. There we go. There we go. It's a problem down here. It's a problem down here. I don't know if we're ready to crack down here, but it is a problem. But I'm not going to add like before. I'm going to just hold it. I'm going to just hold it. and see where it goes. I'm in at 97. It's holding up down here. This 94, 95. 95 is holding. This high is on 96. I've been trying to put a stop in, but it's just been getting me out. Can we break this low of 93? Can we break it? Come on. Okay, there we go. Come on, I'm not adding. But if we can get 78, I'm looking. Come on. Break this 90. I'm in at 90. I'm in at 97. Come on. Looking for 78. If we can get 78. I'm gonna hold on to it. All right, this might pop back up if we don't get the breakdown. I don't know if we'll get it, but if we do, come on, that's good. So my stop would be here. Come on, there we go. This the move I was looking for earlier today.
Order submitted.
Come on, if we get the break. I really want to ride it. I'm trying to ride it. We at 85. I'll ride it to 82 and a quarter if I can. Come on. If we can ride it, 88, 89, it's going to test the 90.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order canceled.
That's good. I should have just rolled it. I got a little nervous. It didn't break this high either. Should have just rolled it. It's holding, but sometimes I just get out too early when S3 is the target. When S3 is the target. See, that's why I like when he's open up right here and then they could just bounce back up. But S3 is the target. And one target was 82 from. I think I got like 3 points. I was up like 10 points, 11 points at one time. Gave back about 5 points on the pullback. On the pullback. What would have happened if I would have just held on? Coming back down to 80. That's it for the day. All right, that's it for the day. That's it for the day. I'm good. So I'll come back and tomorrow and just try to keep it going. Let's see. So my trades that I did. See if we can look at my trades. I made a trade earlier off of VWAP before the market opened. So I took a VWAP trade short at 70.75 and I got it, bought it back at 68.25. A couple of points. The market came down and we ran back up into VWAP, didn't touch it. Let's see if I can spread it out. But I took a short. Can't see it. Let's see. Let me put it on a 1 minute. Could probably spread it out a little bit better. So here I shorted at 68. No, I got other orders here before that, right? Yes, this is where we at. So come on. Can't really see the orders. So I took a short here at 34.25. and I bought it back at 35.50, 34.25. And I sold here at 41, and I bought back at 39. So I took a loss here, point a quarter, and then I made 41 and 2 points here at 39. So then I sold at 45.75, and I bought back at 43. Got a couple of points here. Then it came up into VWAP. Didn't take the trade straight off of VWAP. It pulled back and started to break, and I sold at 41.25 and bought back at 38.50. Now, if I would have held this for the rest of the day, man, that would have been a nice move. And that's when it just started to continue down. Didn't hold it. Look at that move. All the way down. Then we had a pull back. We had a pull back here. And I was looking at the round number of 68, that psychological number. So I sold at 68. I know I added something somewhere, but it doesn't tell you where you got in first or second. So I sold at 68. I bought back at 68.25. Trying to figure out which one of these trades was first, because it doesn't show. I sold at 68. I sold that one at 68.25. I bought back at 68.25. So we got 4 orders. We gotta add them up. Sold at 6. Sold at 6. Which order is this? Trying to get it. I sold at 68. I bought one of these was either a tick. I either lost a tick or I broke even. And then I sold at 67.94. 1, 2, 3, 4 orders for sales. And I bought back at 67.96. And I closed it. I closed everything out at 67.96.75. Because whatever happened, I bought an order. 67.94. This was confusing here when I don't know. I put in the order to purchase, and whatever it is, it closed me out. Then it got me out. I couldn't see where I was in a position. I just closed everything at 67.96.75. So I made some profit here. I know I sold one. I added, but this got a buy and close on it. So if I sold one here, I can't see which one it was, but I sold one here to pink, and then I bought one back. And I bought one here at 67.96, and I closed at 67.96. So that was a little funny trade. I don't know if it was the platform or the way I put in my orders, but I don't like the way they show where you sell, but you don't know which one you did first or second. Here I sold 67.95. I bought back at 67.95.75. Then I sold at 67.95, and I bought back at 67.94.75. A couple of ticks. Yeah, I was struggling in here, in this area. I was struggling in that area with them. $67.97.50, and then I bought back at 67.89. That was the last trade. So that was a good trade here. And it looked like it may continue, but I'm not in the trade. I'm not in anything. We got green, red. Just look at this. Now this may break now, but I'm not taking any trades here. Last time I got out at 89, and we ran back up to 95. But I'm not going to, I'm done for the day. Those are my trades. And I'm walking away. Let's see if I just take it back to just plotting the arrows of where I made my trades at. Up here, trying to took some of this resistance, trading up into these resistance levels here was my first trades. Then this resistance level I was looking at, which also was up here with VWAP. Here, pull back, continuation trade down. Here, I got chopped. I got chopped out looking for the breakdown. We consolidate a little bit. Was looking for the breakdowns, but I got chopped out here some. And then I had a good trade here on a continuation down. So I only took short trades because the market was short and I was looking for continuation trades to the downside on the pullbacks. But I'm not taking it down here. We're kind of low. We're down 87 points and it's past 11:30. So that's it. Come back tomorrow. Happy trading.